good morning! So, eto, another payment center na naman. So, we're so excited here, of course, para i-claim ang mga freebies ng Pikit North Cotabato Payment Center. So, grabe po. Ang owner po nito, of course, from Lebanon siya ngayon. So, we're so excited na maglo-launch at magbubukas at mag-o-opening ang payment center ng Pikit North Cotabato. Hi! Kita-kits tayo dyan!
Hello!